Hello people! We had a chance to dine in at one of these hole-in-the-wall restaurants in Marikina City. It's a fine dining feels because their main dishes are mostly steaks and paired with wine. But they do also have different Italian foods that you can choose from on the menu. I'm not an expert when it comes to wine brands or wine flavors, but definitely they have a wide variety of different kinds of wine that you can choose from. But for me, I'd go for the white wine. I'll highly recommend this if you're on a date because the ambience is very romantic and the background music as well. The food is good. The price will definitely break your budget. The place, it's okay. Overall rating, definitely 7 out of 10.